In today's video, guys, we are going to talk about the Lumix S5 Mark II kit lens, and maybe a kit lens and some of the others too. It is the Lumix 20-60 f3.5 to 5.6. And since then, they came out with a 20-60 f2.8, which is a pretty big difference. But the one we're looking at is the original kit lens. Now, when I bought my camera, I kept debating, I'm like, should I get this? Should I just put my money towards something else? And 20-60 is an odd range. And I guess anything that you're used to that's different is odd. It's kind of the way I see it. Because 20-60 is really not that odd of a range. Certainly kind of a cool range. It's kind of wide and go all the way up just past the 50. So it's kind of cool. Just think about it. And it's not a very expensive lens. I think it's around about $400. It's pretty cheap. So I thought, I saw some good reviews on YouTube. I thought, what the heck? I'll check it out and see if I like it. So it's made good. It's plasticky a little bit, but I think it's like most of the Lumix filters. You've got the 67 ring in here. If you need to put an ND filter, you don't have to buy a bunch of different sizes. It's not heavy. It's not cheaply made. It's plastic, but it's not that cheap plastic. And it's metal riding through here, so don't worry about there. So I had Kaci at the park, and we had already done one photo shoot. And I said, hey, do you have time to do another photo shoot? I won't video it. I just want to get some pictures done with it. She said, sure, she would stay and do those. So we did those. So we shot Kaci with this lens. I wanted to see what kind of shots we could get with this lens. It only goes down to 3.5, 20-60, kind of an odd range to do portraits and shots with. But we were there and we thought, well, let's do it. So I'm going to play you guys the pictures we got, see what you think about them. And once we get to the end, you guys let me know what you think about them. See if you think they're good. If you use the 20-60 in your daily work, and if you think you could, and just all around, let me know what you think about the lens. Anyway, let's take a look at these.
True, you think it will be over. A fool of mine to feel the way I do. And God knows I've tried over and over, but I just can't stop thinking of you. In time they say it's gonna be better. Sometime I'll find somebody new. Well, that's a lie, and they are the fools for that matter. 'Cause she won't be nothing like you. Each night I am lost in my dream. Your lips I feel, your eyes I see. Each night I could swear it was real. When I close my eyes, you're right here with me. And I'm calling out, but you never hear me. I am reaching out, but always in vain. And when I dream every night, it's always the same. Crying your name. Winter's gone now, we're headed for summer. I guess that means it's been 3 years come due. And I don't even try to remember. Can't seem to remember to forget about you.
The pictures that we got were pretty good. She did some good posing, made it look pretty good. I think overall the lens is sharp. It's not too sharp like that Sigma I got the other day. Almost too sharp to shoot people's pictures with, but I love that Sigma lens. It's a beautiful lens. I think the 20 to 60 did a really good job. Even the 3.5 and the 5.6. We still got some bokeh. It wasn't like it wasn't there, so it was pretty neat. So those are my feelings on it. And the price, you can't beat it. And it wouldn't be my number one lens in that range. I got a 28 to 70 that's in that range. I got a 50 millimeter that's in that range. So, but it would be there if I needed it in a jam. And I think it would get me out of the jam pretty good. So let me know what you guys think. We're helping you out. Give us a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll get back to you. Thank you.